Today on the Savage King, the Rossi gets a much needed overhaul, and you get to witness it in hyperlapse. Okay, so originally the Rossi had fancy golden lion Chinese remote control thermostat battery operated thing that I bought back in like 2011 when I built this grill, but I'd since lost most of the components to it and quit caring about power smoking it. But it is nice to be able to set the airflow. What I decided to compensate for that is just to get a powered variable speed power adapter and rehook it to this fan. So let me show you that. So this just fits in there, hooks to here. You spin this, it turns the fan to whatever speed you want it, and you know that feeds there into your grill. So you got that wired up now. She's ready for a test run, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this content. If you are, please give us a like, a share, a subscribe, and we'll be sure to get some more content out to you soon. Till then, take care.